Squeeze all the toothpaste out of the tube. Make sure it's all squeezed out of the tube. Make sure it's all squeezed. Wow, you are an artist. That is a masterpiece. You are so talented. This is worth a lot of money. This should be in an art gallery. Guess what she made? Guess what she made? No, watch this, watch this. She just made, she just made a blob. She made a blob. She made a blob. Okay, now, I have a little challenge now. I need you now to put all this toothpaste back inside the tube. So here's the tube right here. So put that toothpaste back inside that tube. You out there, face your friend. You out there, you clap the screen. Let's help with your friend. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on, help her out. Come on, help her. Push it back in. Come on, help her. Come on, Pia. You're doing it. Oh, time out. You're making a mess. Wipe your hands. Now, let me ask you a question. Is she putting toothpaste back in the tube? No. It's on her hands now. It's on the tube now. It's a big mess. Let me ask you a question. Can she put all the toothpaste back in the tube? No. Can you do it? Nope. Can I do it? Impossible. Why? Because the toothpaste is already out of the what? Now listen to what I'm about to say. This is going to change your life right now. This is going to change your life. The light bulb's going to come on right now. Watch this. Listen to what I'm about to say. You and I, our bodies, we represent. We're the tube. Our choice of the day, right or wrong. Dream maker, dream breaker. Commitment, compromise. Good, net positive, negative. Represents the toothpaste. Let me give an example. I'm outside, PE class. I say a mean word to a classmate, even though sometimes you're joking around. You backtalk mom and dad. You make some wrong decisions in the hallway, the classroom, on social media. You make good choices. You make some bad choices. Once you make your choices good or bad, can you take them back? All right, let me give you some examples. Once you say a mean word to someone, even though sometimes you're joking around, can you grab those words you just said, grab them up in the air and put them back in your mouth? No. Once you backtalk mom and dad, can you take that action back? No. Once you disrespect your teacher in the classroom, can you take that back? Once you post something, once you text something, can you take that back? Yes. Wait, you can take that back? Wait, you can delete it? Wait a minute. You can delete your text? Wait, you can delete your post? Oh, but you forgot one thing. Listen to what I'm about to say. We live in a technology world. A lot of you have phones. If you don't, I'm sure in the future you will have a phone. But listen to what I'm about to say. This is gonna keep you out of trouble. Watch this. Once you post something, once you text something, remember this. On the other end is screenshot video recording. I need you to be smart. I need you to always think. Everyone, say this out to me. I'm going to think before I speak, I text, I post, I'm going to think. So before those words come out toward a classmate, toward mom and dad, to anyone, before you push enter and send on your phone, on social media, I want you to think very quick. Think this. Is this right? Is this wrong? Can this come back and affect my character? Hey, can I get in trouble if I post this or text this? Hey, can I get in trouble? Can I be sent to the principal's office? Can I get in trouble at home? Hey, can it affect how they feel about themselves? Because remember, once you speak it, once you post it, once you text it, you can't what? Take it back. And remember, there could be consequences for your choice and decisions in life. So always what? Think. Let's give our friend a great hand to help me out. Good job. Awesome job. Good job.